Well, hello. I am in Perham, Minnesota here. First time filming trains here. Found a pretty cool spot. This is the Tuffy's factory for Tuffy's dog food and all kinds of other stuff. There's Bongard cheese here too. Kenny's. I'm not sure what Kenny's is, but there's a lot of factories right here. And as you can see, the rails run right through here, headed towards some grain elevators that way. So it should be pretty cool. I hope to get some drone shots. And then there's one train headed this way from Detroit Lake. So if you enjoy the video, make sure to like and subscribe and enjoy.